Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we'll be talking about a migrant gull to Sri Lanka. The brown-headed gull. The brown-headed gull is a small gull. The pale button eyes of this gull give it a somewhat fearsome appearance. It breeds in the high plateaus of Central Asia, from Tajikistan to Inner Mongolia. It is migratory, wintering on the coasts and large inland lakes of the Indian Subcontinent. Breeding adults' head is the color of milk chocolate, lightening towards the bill. Non-breeding and first winter birds have a dark ear patch and faint traces of the dark hood. This gull breeds in colonies in large reedbeds or marshes or on islands in lakes, nesting on the ground. It is not a pelagic species and is rarely seen at sea far from the coast. This is a noisy species, especially at colonies. Their calls are like locally named Bora Hisa Galuwiya. I have not seen the brown-headed gull. One such place you can see them is in Mannar. As you can see in this picture, Mannar is the closest to India and many migratory birds visit Mannar. In fact, this is one of the reasons why many bird photographers station there to capture migratory birds. In fact, this is one of the best places to spot birds in Sri Lanka.